Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to cut the base of the paper cup, paste a balloon using tape. We're also adding the bunny face and it's ready. We're going to cut the paper cup from the sides. Here we're going to make the watch. So cut the base and look, it's ready. Now you can write numbers and draw the minute and second hand. After this we're going to cut and paste it at the center. Now we're going to paste all the toffees around it using double-sided tape. And look, your wristwatch is ready. Gift it to your friend. We're going to cut the base of the paper cup and draw the wheels. Now we're going to fold this straw and make the bicycle, make the handles, paste the seat, and look how beautiful this bicycle is looking. Take two paper cups and cut the base. Now squeeze it. As you can see, we're going to cut the other one. Make two holes, put the red thread and combine both of them together. We are making a dragon, paste the eyes and teeth, and it's ready. We are going to take paper cup and make dots and cut all of them together. We are going to curve those edges. Now take another paper cup and then we are going to draw the eyes and smiley face. Now take two green paper and fold it in a zigzag way. Paste them together. Put the eyes paper cup on the top and it's ready. We're going to take this pink paper cup and cut the ears of the bunny. Similarly, we're going to cut the body as well. Paste the ears and draw the eyes of the bunny and look how cute this is looking. You can see we're going to take this red paper cup, draw the circle and cut it. Now we're going to make multiple cut, curve the edges and make the flower, curve them as well. Now draw the eyes of the flower, paste it on the top of the green stick, paste the leaves and look, it is ready. As you can see, we're going to cut the base of the paper cup, draw a circle and cut till the circle, make multiple cut on the paper cup. Now we're going to bend it and then tug it on the alternate strips one after another. Continue doing this and complete the circle and look, your hat is ready. After this, we're going to paste a bow as well on the side and look how beautiful this is looking. Take this white color of paper cup, draw the black patches on the top of it. After this, we're going to draw the face of the cow on the white sheet of paper, color it and then we're going to cut it. Now we're going to paste it on the back side, dab 4 holes and make the legs of the cow using this white paper. Roll them, put it and look, it's ready. Now we're going to paste it on the green paper and it's ready. We're going to cut the strips of the watch and then cut the extra part. Now draw numbers on the center part. Now cut the minute and second hand and tug it at the center using this paper pin. And look, your beautiful wristwatch is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.